Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I'll share with you how to delete a website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the website you want to delete in Hostinger Website Builder, click on these three dots and select delete. But before that, I really recommend you to always keep a backup copy of your website before deleting it, because it's very simple and it does not take storage on your hosting plan. So there is no problem doing it. So before deleting this website, I will duplicate it like that. Here, select where in which hosting plan you want to duplicate it. Since I have this single premium web hosting plan, I am forced to use the same plan. So click on select plan. Website was duplicated successfully. Let's refresh this page to see the duplicated website, and this is it. It is always on the top of the original website. Now to delete my website in Hostinger Website Builder, click on these three dots, select delete. Check this box next to I understand that all data on
Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.
Check this box next to I understand that all data on this website and its subdomains will be lost and can't be recovered. Emails can be restored within 30 days. Click on delete, and my website is being deleted. It can take up to 10 minutes for my website to be deleted. Click on done, refresh this page. And just like that, my website was completely deleted in Hostinger Website Builder, and I always have a backup copy that I can return to. Just click on edit website, click on this go live button, then connect your domain from here, and you will restore your website completely. And this is how to delete a website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.